learners. Today, we're going to be doing one of my favorite things. We're going to be writing sentences, but not just any sentence. Today, we're going to be doing complex sentences. Today is just simply a review. Okay, so boys and girls, you know the first type of sentence, right? It's called a simple sentence. A simple sentence, just like this, would be, I was really worried. Okay? That's a simple sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. Bam. All right? Next is the compound sentence. That's right, boys and girls. You take two simple sentences, bam, bam, and you put them together with a fanboy. That's right, a fanboy. So let's put this sentence together. I was really worried, but I didn't have my project. Okay? Or, I didn't have my project and I was really worried. That is a compound sentence. Next. But today, we're going to be doing a complex. Now, a complex sentence is almost like a simple sentence, but it has a bunch of subordinating. I'll do this one. Like before, while, whenever. But my favorite is because. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take those subordinating conjunctions and we're gonna put it together, make a complex sentence. Okay, right here is a list of subordinating conjunctions. Take a look at this. Bam. Now, what you got to understand about a complex sentence is it has two important parts to go along with those subordinating conjunctions. You have a independent, which means it can stand by itself, and on the other side you have a dependent. That's right. Dependent is like a baby. It cannot stand alone. So the only way a dependent can stand alone is if it has a subordinating conjunction right next to it. Always. Okay? And we connect them with this little thing known as a comma. Right. All right. So let's go ahead and do it right now. Here we go. Okay, so let me explain this to you correctly. All right, so here we go. First, you're going to have your independent sentence, followed by your comma, then your subordinating conjunction, followed by your dependent sentence. The second way, make sure we got this right. You're going to start with your subordinating conjunction, followed by your dependent sentence, connected to it at the end with your independent sentence. And then you'll have it correct. All right. So let's review. What did we talk about today? We talked about writing complex sentences. Right. A complex sentence is connected by what? Subordinating conjunction. That's right. There are two ways to do it. The first way is start with your subordinating conjunction, your dependent, then finish it up with your independent clause on the back end. That's how you write it. Your assignment this week is for you to write me 5 complex sentences, but write it 2 different ways. And please, please don't forget the comma. So that wraps up complex sentences. I hope you enjoyed it. I know you like a book. Do your personal best, and I'm out. Peace.